Looking for the perfect camping tent for your next adventure? In today's video, I'll share the top camping tents available on Amazon. Ideal for everything from family trips to solo backpacking. Let's explore. A lightweight and durable option that works well for both car camping and backpacking. Offers great weather protection and ease of use. Known for its durability in rough weather, this tent is perfect for those who camp frequently in harsher conditions. An affordable, reliable choice for budget-conscious campers. Features quick setup, weather resistance, and a spacious interior. A well-designed tent with excellent ventilation and simple setup. Perfect for campers who want more comfort in the wilderness. Offers a spacious interior with a massive front vestibule, making it ideal for family camping. Durable and versatile, though setup may be time-consuming.